Hey Rob, so check this out, bro. So I got this one printed and it comes with, I got a little paracord thing on here to hold the little wings back here. So these wings allow you to remove them, insert them into the slot. Allow me to demonstrate. So you can insert them into the slot, okay? And these are designed so that you can prop this up and have like a little easel, as you can see here. So that was my initial attempt at this design to see if I could get that going. And it works okay, but the thing is, as soon as you touch it, they become, look at this, it's totally unstable and they just fall right out. So I don't like that. The other thing is, if I try to stow them where they belong, okay? I try to stow them where they belong. They don't snap into place, so the very next time you go to pick this up and lift it, look, they already fell out. They already fell out, right? So, and then I had to use a little paracord thing to keep it in place. So I've redesigned a hinge system, and that's what this black one is. So let me move this aside. All right. So I think I've nailed it. All right, so this, just so you know, this 3D printed stuff, I don't know if you're familiar with it, but it uses filament. It comes on a spool. I have a whole bunch of spools right up there, as you can see. You see the yellow one, there's a couple of red ones below it. So they come in spools like that. This is a 1.75 diameter, 1.75 millimeter diameter. So I thought this might make a good, I don't know, rod for a hinge system. So I designed, you can see the little entry slot here, and then up here you can see the exit slot. I designed a hinge system which would allow us to use as this as a rod, the filament itself. So I can just cut a little piece of the filament, put it through, feed it through the hole here, and then that would act as the central hinge so that I could prop this thing open. Here it is. So I could prop that thing open. I'm trying to do it left-handed here. And then that, I would never have to deal with, you know, the thing falling off. And when I'm done, I can just stow it, and I made the clearances and the tolerances really nice and tight. Anyway, all right, Rob. So I'm gonna have this one for you tomorrow. I'll have this one for you tomorrow. But I'm going to reprint another one using this hinge design that I've made. So I don't know when I'll have that ready, but I gotta travel tomorrow to Portland, so I may not even see you then. All right, anyway, catch you later, bro.